Stephen King's Cujo, Alien. Look at me, bowling balls. Hey, this is cool. Morning. How you guys doing today? Good. Good. That giant skull head. That's cool looking.
Yeah, she bought it already.
Oh, you bought that already? Oh, okay. Oh, no problem. Well, you have good eye, so.
Oh, that stuff down there is sold, sorry. Okay. She just got loaded up.
So, what do you have on this? Oh.
Sorry,
Oh, ma'am? What do you have on this thing?
What?
What do you have on this?
You did that for $2.
Okay.
That, it sings. It probably doesn't have batteries in it.
Yeah. I'll give you $2 for it.
Okay.
Here you go, ma'am.
Oh, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, brother.
Yep. Thank you. Oh, those pillars are cool. Little mummies.
Yeah.
Morning.
Morning.
How much are your books?
Those are a quarter.
Quarter each?
Yeah.
Stephen King's Cujo, Aliens, Alice in Wonderland. Okay. You have any more?
I think that's in the book.
Any like comic books at all, or no?
All right.
That one I'm not interested in. Look at these Star Wars books. Star Wars, Star Wars. Well, you're the blowout sale. You're just trying to move stuff today, huh?
Yeah. I went to my storage unit yesterday. And I was like, no, I haven't looked at these books in years.
All right, I'll take this whole box.
You want the whole? Okay.
Yeah. Here, sorry, you had to make your just did your sign and then.
That's all right.
I don't know, what is it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. So $5.50?
$5.
All right, $5. Breaking the bank.
All right.
Yeah, man. Thank you so much. I appreciate the deal. It's nice to get rid of the whole box, right?
Yeah.
That's the goal. We have sold Star Wars books lots before. We should get about between 30 and 40 bucks for this entire lot. Hello.
Good morning, how are you?
Good, good. How are you?
Okay.
Oh my God, look at me bowling balls.
Yeah, my brother-in-law, he passed away. He was a professional bowler.
Oh, really?
Yeah. So those are high-end balls.
Gotcha.
They just need to be replugged.
Man, that's how that look like. I never seen so many bowling balls in one place.
Oh, yeah. Well, he's also had traveling bags. You see all the traveling bags?
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Good morning. Good morning.
How much are the plush?
All smoke-free, pet-free homes, so $5 each. They're in pretty good shape for the Disney plush.
Okay. What else you got then?
Hey, I won't be happy, man, if I'm not on your video tonight.
Oh.
How you doing, brother?
Good, man.
Good,
What's your name?
Rod.
Rod, nice to meet you, man.
Yeah, same here, same here. Love your stuff, man.
Thank you, man. Appreciate it, man. Appreciate it, man. Yes, sir. Yeah. Yeah, I'm picking and punching on YouTube. Yep. No, I just buy a little of everything, man. I like toys. I like Disney stuff. Yeah, this is cool.
Yeah, it's I have no idea if it's complete, but it's just fine.
Yeah.
Do you remember having a lot of fun with it?
What are you asking for it?
$5.
$5. Dukes of Hazzard, huh? I'll give you $5 for it.
And then we do have some stuff on the shelf we just haven't gotten.
Oh, okay. And then, what do you ask for, like, these cases? I don't know. I don't even know which one to wear these. This is...
They're no older than the 80s.
Yeah.
'Cause that's,
So this one's Hot Wheels. This looks like just a generic one.
it's not a Matchbox.
Doesn't say...
I thought I saw
Yeah, it
on
doesn't
but
say Matchbox, unless I missed
you're
it.
right. It's Terra Toy Company.
Yeah, yeah.
So that's not.
This is Hot Wheels. This is cool. 1980.
$5 as well. So some of those are Hot Wheels, some of
Okay.
those are Matchbox. And then
Gotcha.
Yeah, probably the Taurus.
Okay. Was it $5 for the pair or $5 for each one?
Each.
Okay. All right. So put this off to the side. Oh. This box feels like it's falling apart. This Dukes of Hazzard box.
Yeah, it's
You said, am I able to look at the shelf?
yeah.
Do you have any older toys like this? This is what my favorite thing is, like
Yeah.
the older toys.
No, the older toys would be mine.
Okay.
So basically anything on this shelf.
Gotcha. All right.
I don't think I have any.
Oh, sorry. I'm gonna look up top.
No, you can look up top. That's fine.
I just saw the
That's
Pac-Man.
too. Yeah, that's it's a newer toy. It's
Oh,
just
okay.
like a plastic
Gotcha.
model. That's 15.
Let me see.
They all even have their shoes.
Do you have a 5?
I think I do.
Okay. Hello.
How are you?
Good. How are you?
Good. You looking for something particular?
Just looking. How much you have in your radios?
The satellite ones?
Yeah.
$10.
Are these the ones that you need a subscription for or you don't need a subscription for?
Yeah,
You need it. Because there's some that have like a lifetime subscription. That's what I was curious. Is there the face for this one? Is it in here?
Excuse me. Let me go look. I just grabbed those.
Gotcha.
You're looking
For the face piece.
yeah.
Was it in the box?
Oh, the radio?
Yeah, it's not in the box.
Oh, really?
Well, if you want to put this off to the side,
Yeah.
if you come across it, I'll buy it.
Okay.
You just put it. I'll drive around. I'll come back in probably like 20 minutes or so, and see if you can find it.
Okay. Yeah.
Put it off the side there for me.
Sure.
Thank you.
Anything on here is $1.
Anything on here's $1.
No, any of the clothes are $1.
Gotcha.
A lot of it's designer.
How much is? Oh, the shoes are price marked too.
For what?
The shoes are price.
Yep.
So close, they were almost my size. 10.
Earphones.
Yeah, I know. So close.
Hard.
Yes.
Untuck. Well, this is super soft.
Oh,
Yeah.
yeah, that is. Technically, that's
I'm not really familiar with that brand.
the Cremo?
Yeah.
That's actually at, what is it? Dillard's.
Dillard's?
carries that.
And Thomas Dean.
TD, those are typically new 150, 200.
Wow.
I usually buy them on sale when they're about 50.
Really?
Yeah.
Thomas
As you
Dean.
can see, I've had those for a few years.
You can just tell
They're
you can just tell the quality of them by just touching them, you know.
Absolutely.
So, Art Schefter marks. What size is it?
I
Large?
don't know where she got that from.
Well, my wife might like that.
Oh, yeah. They're $1 a piece. Whatever you find.
4 of them, and I'll do 4 for
No, but they're not all the same color. 2 of them are a teal color, and 2 of them are that.
Okay, I'm gonna look at those. For
Okay,
sure.
they're right here. We're
And you're
pulling
gonna
them.
make 4 for how much?
17, 18,
2, that's 20.
20. That worked out perfect.
There you go.
You don't have to get perfect, get change.
Thank you.
Awesome. Appreciate the deals.
Of course.
Thank you.
Doing it. Yeah. That's all I'm gonna say. It's just fun.
I'll take these two.
Okay.
Oh, actually, here. Hold on a minute. Let me see. What size are these?
8.
8. I'll take these two.
Okay, wait, what? Those are 7.
7.
And that was 2.
2.
You gave me. What did you say? 5.
I give you a 5. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Here we go.
Perfect. All right. Okay.
Thank you guys for the deals. You guys have you guys have a wonderful day.
You too.
How much is that?
Jacqueline.
$1. I'll do $1. Why not? What do we got over here? DVDs, CDs?
Yeah, they're old ones now.
$5. It was $1. How much are your video game stuff?
Like for each it's $10.
$10 a game?
10 each.
Gotcha.
I got more here, so if you want to look through these also.
Would you willing to do $5 a piece if I buy a couple?
Yeah.
Okay. And how much are your books?
Like $2 each.
$2 each. Okay. And the watches?
I have no idea. Those are his. Yeah. How much are you doing for? No, these are just the boxes. They're just boxes. So
gotcha.
if you like have your watches of your own, you could probably put them. I don't know how much are you selling the. Are you selling the box then?
What?
Selling the box too?
Yeah, I'm selling
How much? How much for the box? Because he was asking. Like the book, like
$1. Okay.
Spider-Man Web of Shadows was such a surprise. I had no idea that this loose disc was worth this much. So if you guys ever come across this, pick it up.
Understand.
Okay. What's up?
This is just an empty box.
Okay. You finished with these?
Yeah, man.
Okay, thanks, man.
Yep.
Anything good, you know?
So 30? So you do 5 piece then?
Yeah.
How much are these?
Like $2 a piece. Some of the discs might not be red. I don't know. You might have to, if you have like a PS3 yourself, you might have to test them.
How much are you asking for the watch?
20.
20?
Just needs a battery.
Just a battery.
It's brand new. It's never been worn.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Sir, would you take 10 for the watch, by any chance?
Sure.
Okay.
That's okay.
All right, appreciate it, sir.
Thank you. Those are locked. And right now it's
Look at it, gives them something to do. Plus it cleans their tongue and stuff.
All right, I think we're gonna be able to find it. That's good.
Yeah, run us through the box where all the stuff was at.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Appreciate you.
Yeah. Enjoy.
All right.
I absolutely love finding those old vintage toys at garage sales because you know how much enjoyment they brought someone back in the day. It brings me back to think about how fond my childhood was and the Ninja Turtles and the Ghostbusters and the toys I found. Let me know in the comments down below, what was your favorite Christmas present you have ever gotten? Guys, come join me this Saturday, 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time on Whatnot. I'll be going live from 11 to 12. We're giving away 6 or 7 different items, and we're gonna be just clearing out our garage again, and tons of great deals. It's a big raid train, so come hang out right before the holiday. Thank you so much for watching. We really do appreciate it. This is our last video before the holidays, so I wanna wish each and every one of you guys a Merry Christmas and a Happy Holiday. And I wanna make sure I leave you guys off with a segment we haven't done in a while. So here's a little picking and pets for you. Hope you guys have a great holiday.
Mr. Jack.
Until next time, make sure you guys keep picking and punching.